Siemens IQ800 dryer, model WM14Y890GB, child lock has activated, and it will not deactivate according to the manual's instructions to hold ready in for 5 seconds. I have turned it off at the power and tried again to deactivate and still unsuccessful. I wonder if there's anything you can suggest. Actually, model number WT47Y700NL/18. Just wondering approximately how long until we receive a response.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily.
Okay, thanks.
Sorry for the delay in getting to your question. There's only one way to turn the child lock off, and that's by holding the ready in button for several seconds. I know the manual says hold for 5 seconds, but in the past I've had to hold for longer. So press and hold the button for about 10 seconds or so and see how it goes from there. But on some models the dial has to be selected to the cycle it was on when the child lock got turned on. So if you're not sure which it was, then you need to try each program one at a time and see how it goes from there. Try that and let me know how it goes.
I held it firmly for 30 seconds and still no success. It will not let me change the cycle that it is on.
Okay, just want to check, it is the third button from the left under the display screen that you are pressing. If so, then it can only be the control board that's faulty here if it won't turn the child lock off, as that's the only way to do it on this model. So if it won't turn off, then it can only be the control board at fault, I'm afraid. Sorry.
That is correct. So strange, it was working perfectly this afternoon before it went into lockdown. Okay, so it seems I need to call a technician to come and fix it. Thanks.
I'm afraid it's looking like that. One thing you can try first is unplug the dryer fully from the socket and leave it 30 minutes just in case it does a reboot, but if not, then I'm afraid it's going to be the control board at fault here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.